At this point, we've knit a giant tube, and now we need to close up the top to make it into a hat. To do this, we'll make decreases all the way around. The instructions say, knit 6, knit 2 together to the end of the round. First, we'll knit 6 stitches. Now, insert the working needle as if to knit into 2 stitches, as if they were 1 stitch. Make sure you get the needle through both stitches. Wrap the yarn around and knit the 2 stitches together as if they were 1 stitch. Previously, we had 3 stitches between each slip stitch. Now we'll have knit 3, slip, then knit 2 and slip because of the decrease. Again, knit 6, knit 2 together. Great job! Is there anything you can't do? Pause the video and finish this round and mark it complete. You'll notice for each decrease round, it tells us how many stitches will remain after our decreases. It's a good habit to count your stitches to make sure you have the right number. After the decrease, the instructions change. Knit 3, slip 1, knit 2, slip 1. That keeps our slipped stitches aligned. Let's look at the chart. You'll notice that 1 stitch has been removed from the chart. Each knit 2 together reduces the number of stitches in the round by 1. At first we had a set of 8 stitches that we worked 9 times for 72 stitches. Now we have a set of 7 stitches that we'll work 9 times for 63 stitches. That last square is called a no stitch, and you can ignore it. It means there once was a stitch here, but now it's gone. Pause the video and knit a few more rounds until you're ready for round 52. As you continue the decrease rounds, your hat becomes narrower and becomes difficult to knit. Your circular needles are 18 inches and your hat may be smaller than that. That's where double-pointed needles come in. I'm on a round that is knit 3, knit 2 together. I've just knit 1 to keep my stitch marker in place. Now I'm going to transfer my stitches from my circular needle to my double-pointed needles, or DPNs. Pick up one of your DPNs as your working needle. Continue working as instructed, using the DPN as your working needle. If you have a set of 5 DPNs, you'll transfer your stitches onto 4 needles and put about 1/4 of the stitches onto each needle. You'll have 36 or 40 stitches after this round, so aim for 9 or 10 stitches per needle. Make sure the stitches stay in the center of the needle without slipping off either end. As you get 9 or 10 stitches, pick up another DPN as your working needle. Keep pushing the stitches onto the end of your circular needle as stitches are removed. Make sure you reserve one DPN to be used as the working needle. Pick up your last DPN and use it as your working needle. Keep going around and around, using the empty needle as your working needle. If you come to a decrease, but your DPN doesn't have enough stitches, slip the stitch from the next needle purlwise, and now you can knit two together. Pause the video and continue working to the end, round 58, where we'll weave in the ends. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail, at least 12 inches or 30 centimeters, and thread the needle. Find where you left off at the end of the last round. Slip the stitches purlwise onto the needle and draw the yarn through. Cinch tight. Bring the needle through the hole to the inside. Run the needle under the purl bumps, changing direction at least 3 times. Weave in the cast-on tail in a similar manner. Then submerge your hat in a water bath and lay it out flat to dry. You did great! We're so impressed. We'd love to hear how it went. Email us at support@neutrino.com.